Pussycat!
Uy!
Thank you, sir.
Parang may alam ka. Kayong dalawa, ha?
Ikaw, sir. Ay, ma'am.
Ang dami.
Ma'am.
Sir! Sinervo lang ka!
Sir,
Miss Vice.
Sir ka raw!
Miss Vice, I love you.
Sir, okay. Malay mo naman yung tatay niya, ganito rin outfit sa bahay.
Malay mo.
Malay mo yung lolo niya, ganito rin nung kinalaki.
Sorry, Miss Vice.
It's okay.
Na-overwhelmed lang po kasi ako kasi every time nandito po ako, English po ba?
Yeah, because of Ariana.
Ariana, yes.
So Ariana
Because
can
every time
understand.
I'm here in Showtime family, I always feel like I'm a part of it.
Yeah. You're part of this family.
Thank you po, ma'am. So anyways, this is really no pressure at all because I just also arrived from LA.
Jet lag din.
And then, okay, hold on, Honey Pops. And then I really learned a lot of things out there, your mother tongue especially. So this is no pressure. Anyways, I love your look.
Thank you so much.
Your makeup, yes.
Thank you.
Your hair, yes.
Thank you.
Your, yes.
Yung English yung parang text lang. Yung shortcuts, bahala ka nang umunawa. Yes,
I want to give plus points if you can do this. This is very, ano po talaga. This is very...
English.
Yes. Oh, okay, hold on po. Shit. Atag po nito, this is very popular from Ariana Grande, the way she laughed. Like,
Oh, my, one more time. Tol, ganyan yung jeep na sumusok. Pinasalayan ako jeep na ganyan. Yung patok na jeep sa amin, ganyan yung patok na jeep doon. Can you do it once again, Tol?
Grabe, ayaw mag-start. Ayaw mag-start.
Yan yung jeep dati.
Lumayo tayo. Lumalayo din sa kumakalas talaga eh.
Tinutulak ako nito eh.
Huwag yung nakakatawa doon.
So, yeah.
I think she got it right.
Oh, she got it right.
Yes po. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Thank you po. God bless you.
Yeah, marami.